Today, I'll show you how to buy Robux using GCash. First, open the Roblox app or go to the Roblox website. Sign into the Roblox account where you want to receive the Robux. Make sure you are using the correct account before buying, because Robux purchases are usually added to the account you are signed into. Now go to the Robux section. Choose the Robux amount you want to buy. After selecting the amount, Roblox will show you the available payment methods. If GCash appears as a direct payment option, choose GCash. You may be redirected to a payment page. Enter the mobile number connected to your GCash account, then follow the instructions on the screen. GCash may ask you to confirm the payment using OTP, MPIN, or another security step. Review the amount carefully before confirming. After payment is successful, go back to Roblox and check if the Robux has been added to your account. If GCash does not appear directly, you can use another method. Open the GCash app and check if you can buy a Roblox gift card, game credit, or voucher from the available services. You can also use GCash to pay through supported partners or online stores that sell official Roblox gift cards. After buying a gift card or code, copy the code carefully. Then go to the Roblox gift card redemption page. Sign into your Roblox account, enter the code, and redeem it. After redeeming, you can use the credit to buy Robux. Always buy only from official or trusted stores. Avoid people online who offer cheap Robux, because many of those offers are scams. Also, never share your Roblox password, GCash, MPIN, OTP, or verification codes with anyone. So, to keep it simple, open Roblox, choose Robux, select GCash if available, confirm the payment, and check your balance. If GCash is not available, buy an official Roblox gift card using GCash and redeem it in Roblox. And that's how you buy Robux using GCash. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.